Okay, so welcome everybody. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to reset your service lights on your BMW. This could be your oil life, this could be your brake life, brake fluid, brake pads, vehicle service check, etc. How to reset that light with no tools necessary. So first thing we want to do is put in the key. We're just going to put in the key. We're not going to try and start the car. We're just going to put it into accessory mode by pressing the button once. And just wait for all of the lights to cycle through until it comes back to the mileage, which is right there. Next thing we want to do, using the trip button, is we're going to hold this down for a few seconds until the light, the service lights pop up, and then you can use this thumb button here on your left turn signal to then cycle through the different service checks. So we have front brakes, we have vehicle service check, we have an exhaust check, or like emissions check. I'm not sure what that one is. Catalytic converter, oil, spark plugs, brake fluid, rear brakes, and so on and so forth. And the one we want to reset here is oil. Now, I changed my oil long time ago, and I totally forgot to reset. So this is how we reset the service intervals, for example, for our oil. Once you've selected what you want to reset, we're then going to use this BC button. We're going to press it in and hold it down, and it's going to ask us to reset. We're going to keep holding until that goes away. And now that the little clock is done doing its thing, we have reset our service interval. Now, 28,000 kilometers, that's a crazy interval. I do not suggest you run your car 28,000 kilometers without changing the oil. My service interval, I've done a whole nother video on service intervals for oil and oil life. We even tested the oil in our car after we rebuilt this engine. I have a whole nother video I'll put in the description if you're interested in oil interval and oil life. So that's it. Once you've done resetting what you want to, you can actually go and check this. So once it goes back again to the mileage, we can scroll up and down, and we can go to service info, and we're going to press the BC button to select that, and we can actually double check and see what the interval is for each item. And for oil, as you can see, it's been reset, and everything else seems to be okay. It's for next year. So everybody, that's it. If this was useful for you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more useful tech tips on your E90. If you guys are interested in the rebuild project on this car, it went really well. I'll have a link to the video playlist in the description below. Hope you guys have an awesome day and keep your BMW running smooth. See you later. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to check out my other video tutorials on my channel. If any of these videos were helpful to you, consider dropping a like and sharing these videos on social media to help other BMW owners save money fixing their cars. See you guys in the next video.